Obedience to Authority was written in 1974 by Stanley Milgram. Awareness of our national tendency to obey authority may lessen the chance of blindly following orders that go against our conscience. Gas chambers were built, death camps were guarded, daily quotas of corpses were produced with the same efficiency as the manufacture of appliances. These inhuman policies may have originated in the mind of a single person, Hitler, but they could only have been carried out on a massive scale if a very large number of people obeyed orders blindly. In 1961 and 1962, a series of experiments were carried out at Yale University. Volunteers were paid a small sum to participate in what they understood would be a study of memory and learning. In most cases, a white coated experimenter took charge of two of the volunteers, one of whom was given the role of teacher and the other learner. The learner was strapped into a chair and told he had to remember a list of word pairs. If he could not recall them, the teacher was asked to give him a small electric shock. With each incorrect answer, the voltage rose, and the teacher was forced to watch as the learner moved from small grunts of discomfort to the screams of agony. What the teacher did not know was that there was actually no current running between his control box and the learner's chair, and that the volunteer learner was in fact an actor who was only pretending to get painful shocks. The real focus of the experiment was not the victim, but the reactions of the teacher pressing the buttons. How would he cope with administrator greater and greater pain to a defenseless human being? The experiment described in Obedience to Authority, an experimental view, is one of the most famous in psychology. Obedience to authority seems to offer little comfort about human nature because we evolve in clear social hierarchies over thousands of years. Part of our brain wiring makes us want to obey people who are above us. Yet it is only through knowledge of this strong tendency that we can avoid getting ourselves into situations in which we might spread evil.